made a clock sound. You wanna come get your picture taken with us? Splash.
He wants to play in the water with you. Yeah. Ready to do a splash? Ready?
Boop.
Boop. Splash. Yeah. Ready? Gotta get closer.
Find some more rocks? Oh, here's a good one, Lyra. It's a nice big one if you want to walk closer.
Walk closer. There.
There you
Now
go.
throw it in. Whoosh.
Good
Yeah.
job.
Splash.
Oh, Lyra. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh, it's so heavy.
Oh, let's get real close. Oh, let's try that again.
Let's try that one again.
Hold on to it.
Daddy will pick you up so you can toss it way in.
Ready? Throw. Splash. Uh-oh. Are we hurting little bugs?
Oh no. What's in there?
See all these guys?
Oh yeah. Oh, we have to be careful. Maybe we shouldn't be throwing rocks in anymore, huh? What are they?
Did you hear a puppy?
Either one of us is looking and off she tumbles.
Get it on the video.
Exactly, yeah. We always get video over falling, don't we?
Yep.
Toss it in. Hey Lyra, would you like to